Haho no ithiete na mbere kuongerereka mwena wa Liboi county ya Garissa thutha wa Maabithaa angi atano a borithi gukua kiroko kia umuthi na gukinyeria namba ya Maabithaa aria makuite kumana na nduthuki 14. Kuringana na murugamiriri wa gicigo kia rugongo rwa bururi Mohamud Ali Saleh, Maabithaa acio makuire mauma thabari-ini ya guthie Liboi guteithiriria birigiceni iria irathie na mbere.
Going to deal with the matter decisively to ensure that Kenyans can go about their business without fear.
Saleh niongereire kuga ati ekwirwo aiganona ni maiketio ngono na kurerikana ati nio makoretwo magitabania uthondeki wa nduthuki icio.
Already we have captured 3 suspects. One suspect who killed the chief is in our custody and is helping the security officers and giving us a very useful information in Mandera. 2 other suspects have been arrested in Garissa here, the ones who are behind the planting of landmines in Liboi and Kulan area, and they are also helping us in getting information.
Na kwa thibitari-ini mwena wa Mandera uma muthenya wa kieha kuri aikari a county ino hindi ya igongona ria mathiko ma Maabithaa atano aria maroragirwo muthenya wa ira kuria atongoria aria megwikinyitie mamenereirie giko giki na njira nene.
We've requested the national government to try to look into this issue as urgently as possible because it's a matter of life and death.
Goko mucii wa Nairobi abunge kuma gitaru kia rugongo wa bururi ni manyitanire gukumithia tharikiro ino na mugambo umwe kuria moritie thirikari gutigirira ni yagacirithia ugitiri icigo-ini ici makiria muno hindi no bururi werekeire gutabania ithurano mweri wa kanana.
We are appealing to the government really to increase the number of soldiers down there and also try to be also vigilant and try to protect also the lives of the people.
Hii ni ishara ya kwamba hata uchaguzi kufanya itakuwa ngumu katika sehemu hizo. Kwa hivyo tunaomba jeshi letu na serikali pamoja walete usalama katika mpaka huo.
Tharikiro ici ciukite thiko nini tu thutha wa munene wa borithi guku bururi-ini Joseph Boynet kuruta mukana wa gutharikirwo kwa honge cia ugitiri ni ikundi citari njitikirie. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.